Hello to everyone and welcome to Live a 99% Ideal Life YouTube channel. Today, we will be talking about the natural ways to purify water at home. So, if you have or you know someone having problems with typhoid or cholera, then you are at the right place and this video is going to be helpful. Please make sure to watch till the end to see the best and the cheapest method of water purification. Now let's begin. 1. Clay vessel filtration. This is the oldest method of water purification that is still used till present in some parts of the world, especially in Africa. Way before people had access to an RO or UV purifier, they used clay pots that purified muddy water by blocking out the mud and allowing pure, potable water to pass through. This method is still used in some rural regions. 2. Boiling. The simplest method to purify water is to boil it for a good amount of time. High temperatures cause the bacteria and virus to be weak by breaking their strong cell wall, removing all impurities from the water. In doing so, chemical additions cease to exist in the water as well. However, the dead microorganisms and impurities settle at the bottom of the water, and boiling does not help eliminate all the impurities. You must strain the water through a microporous sieve to completely get rid of the impurities. Water chlorination. This is one of the older techniques used usually during an emergency, wherein a mild bleach with approximately 5% chlorine is added to the water. This mixture works as an oxidant and quickly kills microorganisms, making water safe for consumption. This method can be seen as water poisoning as the amount of chlorine added is meant just to kill the bacteria only and cannot do anything to us. 3. Solar purification. An alternative to UV filtration is solar purification, which involves treating water with the ultraviolet radiation of the sun. The process involves filling a plastic bottle with water, shaking it to activate the oxygen, and leaving it horizontally in the sunlight. This effectively kills bacteria and viruses present in the water, making it safe for consumption. This method is not quite effective all the time as it demands a high amount of sun in order to be effective. 4. Water purifiers are devices that are made specifically for the purification of water. An electric water purifier is the most trusted form of water purification that can be found in most houses today. A water purifier uses a multi-stage process that involves UV and UV filtration, carbon block, and modern water filtration technology that eliminates a majority of the chemicals and impurities, making it the purest drinking water. 5. Another method of purification is just patience. This entails just carrying water and letting it settle for a while, and after that just carefully drink, but not everything. 6. Fiber or cloth filtration. This is the cheapest and most affordable method as it entails just using a clean piece of cloth, preferably cotton, and bend it in such a way as to provide many layers through which water can get filtered. When water's passing through this cloth, the fiber or cotton is going to hold back the bacterial. Thanks for watching and consider subscribing to my YouTube channel for more and better content like this. Stay blessed.